Hi everyone, welcome to my egg channel. I am Egg Dan. Today we are going to make the cabbage secret for Father's Day. I got inspired by my friend Cabbage Chan. Cabbage Chan wrote some secret notes, sandwiches inside his leaves to surprise his papa. And I am going to write my own notes inside the leaves of a cabbage and keep it super secretive. Plus, it looks just like a real cabbage to surprise my Papa Egg as well. To make your cabbage secret, you will need some unwanted paper, 2 blank A4 paper cut into 12 pieces, then cut them into an egg shape, a green or purple pencil or crayon or texture, a pen, a glue, and lots of love. Let's get started! Firstly, divide the page into 12 equal portions by folding the A4 paper. First we fold it into half and unfold it, then we fold the edge towards the center crease on both sides. Unfold again, turn the paper and fold in 3. And now we start cutting the paper. Cut along the crease lines to make 12 small sheets. Take one sheet and draw an egg shape. Take a few sheets, not too many, and follow the shape and cut out the shape. Do this for all sheets. Color your paper in either lighter green or purple first. Repeat previous step again. Fold the paper in half, then follow the crease and fold it again on both sides. Unfold it, then fold in 3 and cut paper into 12 pieces. Then cut them into egg shape again. We are just using the egg shape as a guide and trace the shape for cutting. The egg shape does not need to be perfect. Ask an adult or a strong person to help you cut all the paper at once. Or you can trace along the egg shape and take your time to cut. And this time, instead of coloring lighter shades, we will need in darker colors. Arrange the leaves from lightest to darkest. The pointy end is the bottom of the leaf. Now we can start writing our secret message in the leaves. Make sure you arrange your words or your messages in order. Pile them up and put it aside for later use. Now we are going to form the cabbage. Grab it onto unwanted paper, preferably plain, or you can color it light green as well. And scrunch it up. Arrange the lighter colors and arrange the message. Dab a bit of glue on the bottom of the pointy end of the leaf. Glue onto the bottom of the scrunched ball, half overlapping each leaf. You have to make sure the side with words or messages face up when you stick it on. Once you glue the leaf on, put it onto the palm of your hand and gently scrunch them together. Apply a bit of pressure on the top as well so that it curls the edge of the leaf to make the cabbage more realistic. Continue until all leaves are stuck on it. Done. Here's a little sneak peek for how my friend Cabbage Jan was created. For step-by-step pictorials, you can come to our website by clicking the link below. We will be uploading more easy and fun videos for you all. Want to be the first to hear about Egg Chan and the Sunny Egg channel? Simply like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you all again, and say Happy Father's Day for me to your daddy. Bye bye.